everybody! So today I'm showing you the latest Fab Fit Fun box. And Fab Fit Fun box is a quarterly subscription service that sends you all things that are like on trend. And so you can have anything from like books to jewelry to fitness things to anything. So it's really cool. And this, like I said, this is just quarterly and similar to Pop Sugar Must Have, which I stopped getting. And that's just once a month. That's once a month Pop Sugar, and this is quarterly. So that's the big difference. Information, if you're interested in subscribing, I'll have information down in the description section. Check it out. This necklace, it's from 8 Other Reasons or something, I guess. And it's got 4 different strands to it, and it's gold. It's very pretty. It kind of hangs down. So that's nice. This is called Homemade Inspired Meals by Aisha Curry. Homemade. This is ceramic mug. So let's check it out. Says coming in hot. That's cute. It's a nice size too. So here you go. It's very useful. Then we have from Ahava. This is mineral hand cream. Nice big bottle. Is very rich, nice hand cream. It smells pretty classic, like a classic perfume kind of smell. It's supposed to, I guess, smell like water, which is weird. I guess it's supposed to be like the ocean, because water doesn't really have a smell, or it shouldn't. There you go. Okay, then there's another bottle here. This is from Nelson Beverly Hills Moisture Healing Wax. Detangles, controls, or sorry, moisture healing mask. Detangles, controls frizz, prevents hair color fading, seals split ends, all kinds. This will be very good, because I have very long hair. Okay, then this is from Kate Somerville. This is an exfoliating treatment. There you go. And then we have some really nice cozy socks from Point Studio. That's fun. Okay, this is from Dosi or something. I don't know. Josie, and it's a little palette. Nice palette, like a brown skin palette with a big mirror. So that's nice. That'll be good in my purse. And a little exercise ball. And finally, we have BB Dakota. This is a poncho. Or blanket, I don't know. Let's see here. Oh, I guess you can put it on like this. Oh, I see. So it's like a blanket. Blanket poncho. It's actually really warm. It's very soft. It's nice. This was a pretty good box. I'm really happy with it. Let me know what you think of it, and if you get Fab Fit Fun box, did you like it? And if you're interested, like I said, there's a link in the description section. Check it out, and thanks so much. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll talk to you later. Bye!